আরও একটি নতুন ভিডিওতে তোমাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত। তো তোমরা অনেকেই কমেন্ট করছিলে যে বিশ্বভারতীর বিভিন্ন পিজি কোর্সে ভর্তির জন্য যে রেজিস্ট্রেশন ফর্ম ফিল আপ প্রক্রিয়া চলছে সেই ফর্ম ফিল আপ তোমাদের কিভাবে করতে হবে। তো এই নিয়ে বিশ্বভারতী থেকে একটি টিউটোরিয়াল ভিডিও দেওয়া হয়েছে, তো তোমরা সেই টিউটোরিয়াল ভিডিওটা দেখতে পারো। তো তোমাদের সুবিধার জন্য সেই টিউটোরিয়াল ভিডিওটা আমরা এখানে দিয়ে দিচ্ছি। তবে সেই টিউটোরিয়াল ভিডিওতে কেবলমাত্র ফর্ম ফিল আপ কীভাবে করতে হবে সেটাই তোমাদের জানানো হয়েছে। তো ফর্ম ফিল আপ তোমাদের কোথা থেকে করতে হবে সেটা তোমাদের জানানো হয়নি। তো কোথা থেকে করতে হবে সেটা তোমাদের প্রথমে জানিয়ে দিচ্ছি। তো এই ফর্ম ফিল আপ তোমাদের কোথা থেকে করতে হবে তার জন্য তোমাদের বিশ্বভারতীর যে অ্যাডমিশন সেকশন আছে সেই অ্যাডমিশন সেকশনে পিজির সেকশনে একটি নোটিশ দেওয়া হয়েছিল রেজিস্ট্রেশন করার জন্য। সেই নোটিশটাকে তোমরা প্রথমে ডাউনলোড করে নেবে এবং সেই নোটিশেই তোমাদের কোথা থেকে রেজিস্ট্রেশন করতে হবে তার লিঙ্ক দেওয়া হয়েছে। সেই লিঙ্কে তোমরা ট্যাপ করে তোমরা ডাইরেক্ট যেখান থেকে রেজিস্ট্রেশন করতে হবে সেই পেজে চলে যেতে পারো, অথবা তোমরা যে কোনো একটি সার্চ ইঞ্জিন ওপেন করে নিতে পারো এবং সেখানে গিয়ে তোমরা সার্চ করতে পারো বিশ্বভারতী CUET.samarth.edu.in/pg এই বলে সার্চ করলেও তোমাদের যেখান থেকে রেজিস্ট্রেশন করতে হবে সেই অফিসিয়াল পেজে চলে আসবে এবং সেই অফিসিয়াল পেজে আসার পর এখানে তোমরা রেজিস্টার বলে অপশন পাবে। সেখানে ট্যাপ করে তারপরে তোমাদের টিউটোরিয়াল ভিডিওতে যেভাবে তোমাদের রেজিস্ট্রেশন এবং বাকি ফর্ম ফিল আপ প্রক্রিয়াটি দেখানো হয়েছে সেটা তোমরা ফলো করবে। তবে এখানে তোমাদের আবার জানিয়ে দিচ্ছি যে এই টিউটোরিয়াল ভিডিওটা কিন্তু আমাদের নয়, এই টিউটোরিয়াল ভিডিওটা বিশ্বভারতী থেকে প্রকাশ করা হয়েছে। আমরা কেবলমাত্র এই টিউটোরিয়াল ভিডিওটা আমাদের চ্যানেলে শেয়ার করছি কেবলমাত্র তোমাদের সুবিধার জন্য। তো ঠিক আছে, তোমরা এবার এই ভিডিওটাকে দেখে নাও।
Welcome to the tutorial video of CUET-PG form fill-up process. On the top right corner you see the register button. Click on the button to register yourself if not already registered. In the first text box enter your CUET application number as per your CUET scorecard. Then enter your date of birth by choosing your day, month and year of birth from the drop-down menus. At last enter the CAPTCHA verification code and click on the Register button below. If you are already registered, a warning message will pop up on the top left showing account already exists. If you've forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password link to reset your password. Now to login, click on the Login button on the top right just beside the Register button. A login form will appear. Enter your CUET application number and password. At last enter CAPTCHA verification code and click on the Login button below. On successful login, you will be landed on the dashboard page where your name will be shown. You will see the relevant menu on the sidebar. In the center there will be two cards, one for editing your profile and second card will contain steps of filling up your application. Now click on the Edit Profile button on the Profile Status card. Check entries for your name, gender, date of birth and age. Now select your caste category. Enter the details like category certificate number and category certificate issuing date if applicable to you. Kindly read the eligibility notes related to your category below the issuing date field. For EWS you have to enter annual family income as well along with certificate number and issuing date. After that enter details for your registered email ID. Alternate email. Registered mobile number. Parents or guardians' mobile number as alternate mobile number. Choose your blood group if you know. Confirm your citizenship and choose your religion. Next enter details for your place of birth. First enter details of village or town or city where you were born. Then details of country followed by state and district. Next you have to enter family details. One by one add details of mother's name, mother's mobile number, mother's name in Hindi, mother's occupation, mother's qualification, mother's office address, mother's designation, mother's salary. Then one by one add details of father's name, father's mobile number, father's name in Hindi, father's occupation, father's qualification, father's office address, father's staff type, father's designation, father's salary, emergency contact number and combined family income. Remember, only star-marked fields are mandatory. Now add Visva Bharati registration details if applicable to you. Choose whether you have enrolled in Visva Bharati before. If yes, enter details for registration number, name of school or department or faculty or college. Then program registered in an year of registration. Then you will get a form to fill up other categories or quota details. Fill up details of PWD category, disability percentage. Then if you are Kashmiri migrant, select yes, if no then select not applicable. If you are children or widows of armed forces personnel then select proper option from drop-down. Lastly, if you belong to cultural activities quota CCA then choose proper option from drop-down. Now you have to fill up bank details for financial assistance and refund if applicable. If you don't have your own bank account, please provide details of your parent or guardian's bank account where you would like to receive the refund if any. Now you will need to fill your address details, both correspondence and permanent. One by one fill up details of your address, country, state, district, city and PIN code. If your permanent address is same as correspondence address then click on the check box to copy the correspondence address. At the bottom you will see Save and Next button. Upon clicking the button, an alert box will open to take your confirmation. Click OK to save and proceed. Now you will see a full glimpse of the data you have entered. Check all the data thoroughly and make note of the corrections if required. If you wish to update, click on the Update Details button in bottom center of the page. If you are satisfied with the data entered, click on Proceed to Next. You have reached at step 2. Here you have to enter a few more details, like your existing illness that requires continuous treatment or emergency medical attention. If you have NCC certificates, select yes and provide type of NCC certificate. If you ever participated in National Service Scheme and NSS camp, select yes and provide duration of service in hours. If either of your parents are working in Visva Bharati, then choose yes and provide details of department designation and employee ID. Next, enter the distance of your permanent address from Shantiniketan, pin code 731235 in kilometers. Lastly, enter details about your language proficiency and click on Save and Next button and verify details you have entered and click on Proceed to Next to proceed to the next step. In step 3 you have to upload relevant documents. On the left-hand side you see the document name and accepted formats and file size limits. Click on Select File to choose File and upload. After uploading you can see the preview of the file. If you are not satisfied you may delete and re-upload. After uploading all the documents, click on Next to Preview button on the bottom right of the page. This is the final preview of the details you have entered so far. Check all the details thoroughly and then click on Submit and Lock. After this, these details cannot be modified. A pop-up window will open. Read the declaration carefully and click on the checkbox and then click Confirm and Lock to proceed. Now you have reached the program selection stage. Here you have to choose the program level. For PG, choose Masters. Next, select the program you want to get admission. Select the study center, then click on Proceed. Review the program you have selected. If you wish to update, click on Update. To proceed, click on Next. Your personal details will be shown. Verify all details and click on Next. In this page you have to enter all your academic details. Read the eligibility criteria for the program you have applied in the prospectus. One by one enter details of Madhyamik or Class 10 or equivalent details. Then Class 12 or equivalent details. And lastly, your graduation details and click on Save and Next. In the review screen, verify all the details. If you wish to update, click on Update or click on Next to proceed. Next, you will get other details page with all data pre-filled. If you want to get hostel facility, choose Yes. If you have any illness that require continuous medical attention, choose Yes, or else choose No. Click on Save and Next to proceed. In the review screen, check all the details and click on Next. Now you are on the upload page. All the previously uploaded documents will be shown to you. You only need to upload Class 10 or equivalent documents, Class 12 or equivalent documents and graduation documents in proper format and within prescribed size limit. After uploading, click on Preview. This is your complete application preview for the program you have applied for. Check every details thoroughly and then click on Submit Application. Now you have reached to the payment section. This is the final step. At the bottom there are few confirmation checkboxes. Verify the details and click on all the checkboxes along with declaration. After that, payment button will be enabled and make your payment with your preferable payment method. Thank you. Hope this video helped you to fill up your application form.